want to come on over to our glove box here and open it up. And when we open this up, we're going to look inside, and there are 2 tabs on the top. We're simply going to reach in and put our fingers in there and release those tabs, and that'll allow the glove box to drop down and open. Once we have the glove box folded down, there are 2 bolts. There's one right here, and then there's one down on the side over here. Those are both 7/32, and we also have a connector right here. I'm going to reach in with a pick, lift up on that tab, and we're going to go ahead and open that up. Pull that connector off like that. Let's go ahead and use our 7/32 socket and ratchet, and we're going to go ahead and loosen both of these here. We're going to go ahead and remove both of these. So once you get these screws loose, you can normally pop that ratchet right off. Just use a small extension with that socket. Go ahead and pull that bottom screw, and we'll go ahead and get that upper one. Now let's reach in and grab that unit, wiggle it, and we're going to pull that straight out. Now on this unit here, our temperature blend door actuator, the part we removed has a keyed shaft that was, when it was removed, it was at an angle going this way here. Our new one is facing vertical. So what we're going to do is turn the key in the on position, and we're going to go ahead and control our temperature from the dash, and when we do that, it'll change the input shaft to position and match up with this right here. So let's go ahead and we'll show you how that works. Now as we go ahead and operate our temperature blend unit right here, this lever, you're going to watch the input shaft move, and we're going to go ahead and position it so we can go ahead and get the new part installed. So when we pull this lever down, we'll watch that shaft move. Go back the other way, we can see the operation there. All right, let's go ahead and install our new part. All right, let's go ahead and get our actuator put in place. There you go. Now we can go ahead and start putting our screws back in. I'm just going to use my socket and extension to go ahead and zip that in as far as I can by hand. And then we'll do the final tightening with our ratchet. Then once you feel that screw start to snug down, just go a little bit more. These do not have to be super tight at all. There we go. So both of the screws are now snug down into place. Go ahead and grab that connector. Just line that up and get that put on the top side of that motor. We line it up, snap that down and into place. Now we lift up our glove box is going to be these two tabs that are going to pop back up here. And go ahead and close up our glove box.